In this video, I will show you how to verify your identity on Onlinejobs.ph. So to get started, go ahead and open Onlinejobs.ph on your device and then head over into your profile. Click on verification under your profile picture, and then in here, as you can see, there are two ways for you to verify your identity. First would be your mobile number verification, and second would be through government ID verification. So this will help you gain ID proof for your account that will allow you to apply for jobs on Onlinejobs.ph. So the government IDs accepted or any of the valid government ID listed in the Onlinejobs.ph website. So make sure to take a photo of your government ID and then take a photo of yourself with the ID to prove that you are the owner of the ID. And that is how you can basically verify your identity on Onlinejobs.ph.